Sharia-Compliant Funds on Cowrywise. As a Muslim investor, you want your money to grow, but you also want it to align with your faith. You don't want any haram businesses. Here's the good news: you don't have to choose between your faith and finance anymore. Let's explore the best Sharia-compliant mutual funds on Cowrywise. First of all, we need to understand Sharia-compliant investing on Cowrywise. It's not just about avoiding alcohol and gambling stocks. True Sharia funds avoid interest-based income, excessive uncertainty, and invest only in ethical halal businesses. Cowrywise does not create the funds, but they curate access to compliant ones managed by licensed experts who have a Sharia advisory board. Now let's look at them. The first we have is Luto's Hela Fixed Income Fund. What is it? It is a Sukuk focused fund, that is Islamic bonds that are asset backed, not interest based. With market volatility, this fund provides you with stability. It is perfect for your medium term goals from maybe 2 to 4 years. Think saving for a wedding, a car, or a down payment while keeping your conscience clear. It is your calm and steady halal anchor. Now we have the next one, which is the ARM Halal Equity Fund. An equity fund that invests only in Sharia-compliant companies listed on the NGX. This is your engine for long-term wealth building. The screening process filters out non-compliant sectors. With careful stock selection, this fund aims to harness Nigeria's economic growth through a pure halal lens. Think of it for goals 7+ years away, like retirement or a child's education. Then we have the Ethical Balance Fund. It is a hybrid fund that mixes Sharia-compliant equities and Sukuk (SUK). If you cannot decide between stability and growth, this is your best of both worlds fund. It suggests a balanced approach, is wise, and gives you automatic diversification within a halal framework. HALAL framework. It is great for a 5-year horizon. Now, how do you choose and invest in them? Step 1. Check the fact sheet. Always read the fund's fact sheet. Look for the Sharia compliance certificates and the list of excluded sectors. Step 2 is to save according to your goal. If you are saving for a house in 3 years, lean towards Lotus Hela Fixed Income. If you are building wealth for 2030, then use ARM Hala Equity as your best partner. Then step 3 is to start small and ultimate. You can start with as little as 5,000 naira. Set up auto funding so your investment grows consistently, leveraging Hala compound growth. Here's a crucial reminder. Some funds may have a tiny unintentional non-halal income which is calculated and donated to charity. Reputable funds handle this transparently, so always check how the fund manager handles it. So there you have it. This is your pathway to halal wealth creation. You can grow your money without compromising your values. The best fund is the one that matches your goal timelines and lets you sleep peacefully, knowing your investments are blessed. Open your Cowrywise app right now, search for halal or ethical, and explore these funds. Knowledge is the first step to empowered investments. So, which of these funds align most with your current goal? Tell us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your journey. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like and share it with anyone in your community who is seeking halal investment options.